I'm out here in the front porch, and the rain has begun. I don't know if you can hear it. We woke to the sun piercing through the sky, shining the glistening blades of the green grass. And now we see a wave of the darkened sky. And here it comes. Woo! She's dropping. For the life of me, I can't imagine how I've lived through this life for many years thinking, entertaining the idea that there is no God. All of this is an accident. There is no rhyme or reason. There is no purpose in life. We're all slaves to the dance of our DNA, submissive only to the natural realm. No up or down, right or wrong. But that model of thought, that worldview, simply does not hold up with the overwhelming amount of evidence, the ingenuity behind the engineering, seasons, weather, from sun to rain. Every single intricate detail plays a part. It participates, it engages in the functioning of this here natural world, pointing to something greater, something grander than self. How should I say, the utility of this creative design in real-time motion should call us into a humble, reverent, bowed stature, seeking the purpose in life, seeking the source of all this intelligence. I had reached a moment, or a series of moments led to a process of time led to a moment in which my wife and I said, let's learn of a man named Jesus and follow him. Mr. Oak, our big oak tree, the staple, stature, and king of our property. He's taking a drink and he's thanking God. His thirst is being quenched. The nutriments going down deep into the soil. his roots which reach ancient times, soaking in the process. It screams a higher power, a divine source of existence which can be identified and discerned through the scientific models permitted to us from this great and grand majesty, power, authority. But what do I know? I'm just another fool. It's beautiful. It's quite peaceful. And it keeps us grounded. A heavenly power that lives outside of time and the natural realm. He is supernatural. He has always been, is now, and will forevermore be the great I am. The God of Abraham, Isaac, and Moses. Through his Son, we have hope, the forgiveness of our lawlessness, and our withdrawal from his heavenly might, brought to him by the blood, the sacrifice, the redemptive quality of his majesty, our ruler and master, the Christ, our King. And though men on this earth may have crowns, our majesty has the throne. And that brings me peace and comfort. Because though I cannot see tomorrow, my master has seen all tomorrows to come. And he is working, and he is blessing his faithful children. Though we struggle, though we doubt, though we fall prey to our temptations, and at times miss the mark, we walk in his light, and he is faithful, and he is wise. His grace, his mercy, he suffers long, he is patient. And for that we thank him. He is most worthy of our praise and worship. We here, members of his local body, the East Coast Church of Christ, are constantly humbled by his works and how rapidly he is growing his faithful location. He withdrew us from the hands of toxic deceivers and professional slanderers. And he has made us to be his faithful assembly on the East Coast. And in his due time, judgment, justice, peace, liberty, freedom, always. Some thoughts, random, though they may be, impromptu as they are, governed by the information of inspiration you and I can so freely open and read. It truly is. It truly is a wonderful opportunity. And it's available for every independent, accountable soul seeking freedom, family, ancestry, goals, purpose, righteousness, joy, and peace. The attributes of a healthy and growing local assembly. If you seek peace, if you seek joy, if you seek to heal and to participate in what is right, we'd love to have you study with us. All right, I'm going back to watching this rain fall and taking a quick 15 before it's back to the grind somewhere, somehow, something. Work to be done. Stay focused and stay positive. You are appreciated. You are loved. East Coast churchofchrist.com, addedsouls.com. Peace out.